Alright, we're downtown today. Gumball 3000 is coming downtown. This is about to be full of exotic cars coming from Toronto all the way to Miami. We're in Nashville. This is the stop if you're new to the channel. We do car shows, places and things to see around town. We're gonna wait for these cars to show up.
Welcome to Lucky Bastard, the main stop for the Gumball 3000. We've got some t-shirts, we've got some awesome hats up here. You guys should come check it out. Thank you.
Alright, this is wild. There's about to be 150 plus cars here. You're just getting a little preview while they're all pulling up.
Guys, it's a Ferrari T80. T80, how was the drive today? Could not have been better. Could not have been better. That's what we love to hear. The weather's alright today as well, isn't it? Weather's amazing. Had to take the top down. You excited to be in Nashville? Love it. Ready to party tonight? Big time. Ready to party big time Nashville? Please make some noise for team number 80. Father and son combo. Oh, we love that on Gumball. Give it up for Dylan and Griffin, please. Make some noise for team 80 as they pass through. Justin. Oh wow. Now look, we match. You should have told us. We're clashing right now. This is a bit embarrassing, isn't it? Guys, how's the drive today?
Absolutely crazy to get down there.
You had a good time?
Yeah, loads.
Ready to have an even better time tonight in Nashville?
Absolutely.
You realise that the place we're partying is right there, goes by the name of Lucky Bastard Saloon. What's your drink of choice?
Vodka.
Oh, we're on vodka tonight. Let's do this. Nashville, please make some noise for this incredible car that matches my outfit.
Very excited. I can tell by your enthusiasm.
All the way from England. It's just beautiful to be here. Beautiful city, beautiful weather.
Anything you want to say to Nashville?
Let's party tonight, Nashville.
Yeah, give it up for team number 31.
Please make some noise for Tom and Lucy in their Lamborghini Huracan Spider. Beautiful car. Make some noise for them.
They're doing it in speed and comfort and style. How's the journey been?
Absolutely amazing. Love the hat, by the way, same colour.
Yes, exactly. I planned it for you guys. And your lady is driving. I love this.
Girl power is my car.
Girl power! Shout to all the independent women in Nashville! We have team number 57 coming in hot in their Urus.
Make some noise for Heather, Nicholas and Rebecca as they drive through. That's team 57.
Team number 127, how you feeling out there? You good? How's your journey so far?
Very good. We're coming from Paris in France.
Oh, from France. Ça va?
Ça va bien?
Oh, wicked. Are you glad to be here in Nashville today?
Yeah, we're good. Ça va Nashville? Tout va bien Nashville?
Yeah, I feel like they understand that. Anything else you want to say to Nashville?
It's great to be here. Thank you.
Yeah, give it up for team number 127.
Please make some noise for Stefan and Alan. How was the journey today? Some noise for the DDE guys as they run up down the side. This isn't any ordinary day in Nashville. We've got DDE with us. We also need you guys to introduce yourself.
We're so happy to be in Nashville. Let's hear it, Nashville. You're louder than that, aren't you? Nashville, I want to hear you. Come on.
So you ready to party tonight? So we're partying tonight.
What's that?
Are we partying tonight?
We are partying like a rock star.
Hey, we got the music in here as well. We're partying like a rock star. Please make some noise for Team 102.
Just got back from Gumball 3000. What an amazing day. Got myself a shirt. Also got the hat signed by the guys at DDE. You guys are awesome. Love your channel. I'm a supporter. But till next time, we're going to post some other videos here. If you stayed to the end, thank you very much. It means the world to me. Support for a smaller channel. I'm hoping to go big one day, and it's because of you guys. Check out some other videos. We'll see you guys soon.